Hey there, it's Jason from Podcastle, and today we're going to explore all the ins and outs of our platform. So let's get straight to it and start from scratch. In the very beginning, your audio editor looks exactly like this. You have 4 options to start with: record, text-to-speech, interview a guest, or simply upload by dragging your file to the soundboard. If you have someone you want to conduct an interview with, go ahead with our remote interview feature. Podcastle allows both you and your guest to be recorded with separate audio tracks, which are really easy to edit later on. And the text-to-speech is for the cases where you want to convert your script to podcast using our AI voice skins. For now, I'll go with the recording feature, so I hit the record button, choose the microphone, and start recording. Hi, I'm Jason. Today, I will show you all the features of our audio editor. Sounds exciting, right? Okay, I think this last part sounds a little cheesy, so I'll just hover around the edge of my audio track until I get the trim tool. Now, all I have to do is to remove it just like this. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always bring it back using the famous Control or Command Z. By the way, you can also remove the unwanted parts by splitting them. But what if I want to remove something that is right in the middle of the clip? Now with Podcastle, it is super easy because I can use the text editor and just delete the part of the clip I don't like. Let me show you. Right-click on the clip and from the drop-down menu, choose the text editor. As I have only one speaker in the clip, I will not change the number and click Transcribe. So let's say I want to make my audio shorter by removing this phrase. I'll delete it from the text and click Generate. Wait for a second, and here we go. Hi, I'm Jason. Today, I will show you our audio editor. Sounds exciting, right? But you know what? I think I want to keep the sounds exciting part. I just don't want to say it myself. So, on the bottom of the editor, I'll find the text-to-podcast feature and click on it. Here, I'll write my text and choose one of the AI voice skins. Once I click Generate, you'll see that I have my text voiced.
Sounds exciting, right?
Yes, it is as easy as it seems. If you click on the Open Library icon over here, you will find some additional features. The music icon here will open a menu of royalty-free tracks which you can use as your podcast intro or outro. I'll go with a random track. Let's say this one. Hover around the audio clip and push this small dot a little more to the right. This will create a fade-in effect. Now, my audio still ends too abruptly, so I'll do the same here, only this time applying the fade out. Much better. By the way, if you want to fix the place of your clips and make sure they do not move, you can hit this freeze icon. It will lock your track so that you don't make any accidental edits to it. And if you want to listen only to the music track, just hit the solo icon here and it will mute all the other tracks. The magic dust removes all the background noise, applies equalizer, and makes it sound professionally post-processed. Hi, I'm Jason. Today, I will show you our audio editor.
Sounds exciting, right?
Overall, I think it's a decent start for a podcast. These were the main features of Podcastle Audio Editor. Feel free to experiment with them as much as you want, and contact us if you have any questions. Good luck!